worst mistakes beginner hikers make and how to avoid them. Hiking is an exhilarating and rewarding outdoor activity that allows you to connect with nature and explore breathtaking landscapes. For beginner hikers, the experience can be both exciting and challenging. However, certain mistakes can turn a promising hike into a less enjoyable or even dangerous one. In this video, we'll explore the 5 worst mistakes beginner hikers often make and provide tips on how to avoid them, ensuring a safe and memorable hiking experience. Underestimating the trail difficulty. One of the most common mistakes novice hikers make is underestimating the difficulty level of a trail. They might assume that all hiking trails are easy and fail to research the terrain, elevation gain, and overall length. As a result, they find themselves on a trail that is too strenuous, leading to exhaustion, frustration, and sometimes injury. Before setting out on a hike, thoroughly research the trail. Read reviews, check trail maps, and consult with experienced hikers or park rangers. Look for information on the trail's length, elevation gain, and any potential hazards. Start with easy or moderate trails and gradually build up to more challenging ones as your hiking skills improve. Ignoring weather conditions. Failing to check the weather forecast before heading out is another mistake that beginner hikers often make. Weather conditions can change rapidly, and being unprepared for rain, storms, or extreme temperatures can turn a pleasant hike into a risky situation. Always check the weather forecast for the day of your hike and pack accordingly. Bring rain gear, extra layers for warmth, and sun protection if needed. Be aware of the signs of changing weather while on the trail and be prepared to turn back if conditions deteriorate. Overpacking or underpacking. Finding the right balance when packing for a hike can be tricky for beginners. Some may overpack, carrying unnecessary items, making their backpack heavy and uncomfortable. Others may underpack, forgetting essential items that could be crucial in emergencies. Create a hiking checklist and pack only the essentials. These may include a first aid kit, plenty of water, a map and compass or GPS, snacks, sunblock, a hat, and a multi-purpose tool. Leave non-essential items at home, and make sure your backpack is properly fitted to distribute weight evenly and reduce strain on your back. Not informing someone about your plans. Hiking alone can be a wonderful way to find solitude and serenity in nature. However, beginners often make the mistake of not informing anyone about their hiking plans, which can be risky, especially if they get lost or injured. Always inform a friend or family member about your hiking plans, including the trail you'll be taking, your expected return time, and any emergency contact numbers. Consider using hiking apps or devices with GPS tracking so others can monitor your progress. 5. Disregarding leave no trace principles. Beginner hikers may inadvertently harm the environment by leaving behind trash, damaging plants, or disturbing wildlife. Disregarding leave no trace principles not only impacts the natural beauty of the trail but also affects future hikers' experiences. How to avoid it. Familiarize yourself with leave no trace principles, which include packing out all trash, staying on designated trails, respecting wildlife from a distance, and avoiding loud noises that can disrupt the tranquility of nature. Be a responsible hiker, leaving the trail as pristine as you found it, for others to enjoy. Conclusion. Hiking is an incredible way to connect with nature and embark on unforgettable adventures. By avoiding these 5 common mistakes, beginner hikers can ensure a safer and more enjoyable experience on the trails. Always research the trail, check the weather, pack wisely, inform someone of your plans, and practice leave no trace principles. With these precautions in mind, you'll be well prepared to embrace the beauty of the outdoors and make the most of your hiking journey. Happy hiking!